Hi everyone, you're welcome back to Westside Creation. In today's video, I will show you how to make this beautiful Ankara bag to match your outfit. It's stylish, simple, and beginners friendly. Let's get into it. So I have two fabrics here. I have the Ankara fabric and I have another fabric, satin fabric, which I'll be using for my lining. So the measurement is 16 by 45. The width is 16 and the length is 45. So I'm going to take it to the machine and sew it. So this is it. After sewing it, this is how it will be. Yeah, so you make sure you get the middle part. So you gather it at the middle and tie it just like I'm doing. You tie it together. Make sure it's at the middle. So this is how it will look like after tying it. So you turn it to the other side. So you turn it to the other side. You sew it. Use your pin to secure it. Secure both sides with your pin and you take it to your sewing machine and you sew it just like I'm doing. So I want to say a big thank you to my new subscribers. You are welcome on board. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for supporting my channel, for always returning to watch my video, and to you who subscribe later. Thank you. So after securing it, you take it to your sewing machine and you sew both sides. So you make sure the sewn part is at the middle. Take it to the middle just like I'm doing. Take it to the middle, then you sew it to close the openings. So if you have watched up to this part and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe. And don't forget to turn on your notification. Thank you. So after sewing it, you open it to the other side. Remember, this is the back, so we'll open it, we'll take it to the front. So you open it. You can decide to leave yours the way it is. You can leave it the way it is, and you can decide to do something with it also. So this is how it is. So I went further to add a little bow to it to make it stylish, just like you can see in the video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more creative content from Westside Creation. See you in my next video. Bye.